Hey all, Brad back again. I got another completed repair here. This again is for the same customers that last Joust was, Lance. He sent in two MPUs, two ROM boards. One was a Rev C and another Rev D MPU, and then a Joust and a Robotron ROM board. So this time I've got the Robotron ROM board paired up with the Rev C MPU. The Rev C is actually my favorite MPU. The Rev D is basically the same, but they added all the stuff to comply with FCC for EMC electromotive compatibility testing and all that. And I don't think it added much more failure points. So in any case, I'll go through what I did on this. So this board was pretty filthy, so I stripped it down, all the components that I always change, simple green bath, dried it, brought it back down in the shop. I removed the old AA battery holder, and we've got a nice CR2450 on here with holder. Real clean install. You can see kind of the shadow here under the back where the ground side is. Most people run a jumper from the ground here over to there. What I do on the back side, since it's literally like a gap of an 1/8 inch, I bridge it on the back side to this ground pad that encompasses the whole board. It's a nice clean install for that, I think. Down here we've got a tantalum cap we install for the soft start. Originally that was aluminum electrolytic. We've got new electrolytics here for filtering for the power. We've got -5, 12, and +5. We've got all new Molex headers on the board. Removed the decoders and cleaned up the legs. Same with the CPU. Once I got it on the bench and powered it up, it wasn't running at all. What I found on this one is it had the video decoder 4 was bad on it. So you can see back here, there's the old one. And once I got that going, there were 4 bad RAM chips on out of 24 here, so I got those swapped out. I did change the label out on decoder 6 just so it matches, you know, it looks clean up here. So MPU rock solid now. Back here on the ROM board for Robotron, stripped this one fully down, simple green bath, cleaned up the legs and polished them on the blitters here, the special chips, put my reproduction labels on that. We've got new filter caps, all new square pin Molex headers. Did reapply the labels nice and straight because I do remove those before the bath. And then, of course, it's got a new 3M ribbon cable on it as well. So I didn't really find any smoking gun here with anything that wasn't working. Probably ribbon cable or something like that. I don't test these boards typically before I, go through and do the basic service. So we'll power it up and see her running here. Remote control. Doing some self-test on the RAM there. And boots right into a tract. And again, that indicates the battery's good, the CMOS, everything's working as it should. So I'll coin her up here. Hit start. So you can see she's playing real good. I'm going to drop into diagnostics. All ROM's good. No RAM errors. CMOS is good. Sound test. And it loops. I know we didn't send the sound board in, but the sounds themselves are driven from the ROM board, so I always make sure I test that. Switch test again. All the inputs work just fine. Color RAM test. Here's the RAM test. You'll see the intensity change here. Again, this is testing the color palette for the color RAMs. Grid lines used for setting convergence on your monitor typically. Solid red, green, and blue. Color bars, bookkeeping data, and then this is your settings. And then back to a track mode. So again, she's running rock solid. I'm going to let it run overnight and get it boxed up. Coming back to you soon. Thanks for watching.